welcome to my channel. This is Jacky from CRUKING Engineering Equipment Company. We have more than 18 years experiences in exporting construction machinery. And today we come to XCMG battery to show us this excavator. It is equipped with Kubota engine, powerful and fuel efficient. The bucket capacity is about 0.0 cubic meters and the bucket leading force can until 16 kilonewtons, and the maximized leading depth can reach to 2.29 is the nameplate of this excavator. The operating weight is 1,795 kg, and the rated power is about 11.8 kW. If your job site involves changing, landscaping, narrow alleys, backyard access, indoor demolition, or irrigation channels, a full-size excavator is often just too big to meet our turnaround. The XCMG XE17U is specially designed for these confined spaces. If you are interested in XCMG XE17U, welcome to inquiry for Jacky at any time. Thank you.